Tired of the same old shell experience? Discover Nushell, a modern, powerful, and user-friendly shell that transforms the way you interact with your Linux system. Today, we will explore Nushell on openSUSE Linux with real-world examples that can revolutionize your workflow. So, hi Linux enthusiasts and welcome back to the channel. If you are into system administration, programming, or just love experimenting with modern tools, you are in the right place. In this video, we will dive deep into Nushell on openSUSE Linux, from installation to advanced features you never knew existed. Stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insightful videos. Let's get started. New Shell, or just New, is a modern shell that reimagines the command line experience. Unlike traditional shells, New Shell uses structured data like tables and JSON as first class citizens, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Its syntax is intuitive, it is designed with scripting in mind, and it integrates seamlessly with tools like Rust, because simply Nushell is a Rust tool. Installing Nushell on openSUSE Linux is a breeze. Open your terminal and type sudo zipper install Nushell, and then hit enter. Once installed, launch it by typing nu. You are now in a whole new world of possibilities. Before we start exploring the basics, let's say you don't like this banner, and here see learn how to remove this at, and they give you the link to read the steps to disable this banner. Okay, so to make it short for you guys, let's open this configuration file for new shell using your favorite text editor. It's under config slash new shell config.new. And let's open the file and we go down. We insert these two lines to the file and make sure to save and exit. So now let's open a new terminal and we run new. Now it will take us to the new shell without printing the banner. Let's start with some basic commands. New shell organizes data into structured tables, making output easier to read and manipulate. For example, ls command. This displays a table with columns for the name, type, size, and more. You can sort by size with using argument for the ls command like this, and you say sort and by size, and we hit enter. You want to filter for directories only, you run the same command ls and you write where type equal dir. Notice how readable and interactive the output is compared to traditional shells. System running low on space, use new shell to quickly locate large files by running this command ls-a, and you can specify the type is file and sort by size and to print the last 10. So in general, this command will list the 10 largest files recursively in the current directory. You can monitor your system's performance with this command. This gives you a quick overview of your CPU and memory usage in a table format. New Shell is amazing at handling structured data. Let's say you have a JSON file. This will extract the file of JSON as a table. Create your own commands to simplify tasks. For example, you just created a reusable command for backups. And here are some pro tips you won't find elsewhere. Type help command for detailed documentation directly in the terminal. New Shell integrates seamlessly with external tools. Just prefix commands with caret to run them. Use input to create interactive prompts in your scripts. New Shell is table-based output, scripting capabilities, and seamless handling of structured data make it a game changer for Linux users. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned sysadmin, New Shell simplifies complex workflows. And that's it, a quick dive into New Shell on openSUSE Linux. If this video helped you discover something new, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy hacking and thanks for watching.